Hi there, my name is Ed West, and this is Take a Stand Medieval Civilizations. The medieval period is an amazing time of growth, prosperity, invention, adventure, and yes, of course, castles and fights and the plague and everything else. But you won't know how this all fits together unless you come along with me this fall on our adventure together. It's called Medieval Civilizations because we're not just looking at Europe, we're looking at what went on in South Asia, in the Far East. We're looking at all these different civilizations and their effect, not just on the area in which they lived, but what has been brought down to us today. And as I like to say, you don't know where you are unless you know where you came from and where you're going. And so I look forward to spending this time with you together as we go on a discussion-based journey. I say discussion-based because there's a lot of research involved. It's not a textbook per se. It is a discussion that's based on asking questions, questions that you get to answer with my help. So we're going to have a lot of fun together. It's only $265 for the semester, a year-long course. If you want to know more about it, I'd like you to go to my site, edwestlit.weebly.com, and it will tell you about this class and all my other classes that are coming up for the fall. Or you can go directly to homeschoolcampus.org, and if you're new to Homeschool Campus, click on the Get Started link and it'll take you through everything you need to know. So let's go together, and I promise you an adventure. Thank you very much.